But see, somebody should tell me exactly what this IMC has added to Asante Kotoko. Somebody should tell me exactly what this current IMC management has added to Asante Kotoko. Damn potty! If you saw Henry team no more, big moon, Namonka, Namako school, Namon shares some boom bibia, Omodiaba, Mimi. Damn potty, no Modiaba. Ah, Omodia Kanwa, a yes, Ronco. Ah, Mim, ye young. Damn potty. Damn, what exactly have they done? Aside that, they said it. Omono Mukanya and Amakanyo. They say that all bills you run it, yeah. And I also know that one for sure. All bills, assembly about you are from not office card. So what exactly are they doing? So if you run it, all bills are. Kotoko should not be at this stage. Asante Kotoko should be doing better than this.
Yes, far better.
Because there is no any other responsibility on you, the IMC. Because you have not been asked to go and get money. You have not been asked to do anything apart from making sure that the team will prepare very well. Let's go back to the team. Yantiana, Yakofa, Abrante, be a friend. You say, Uko Division 1. Division 1 will be a senior number 5 on the boss in Ubia.
Yes, David Dauni.
Yaya Dauni. I see Division 1 will be a senior. Nah, on the idea.
About more bokra.
Na Division 1 and Ghana Division 1. If you are seeing Division 1, it's on the idea.
We are seeing now.
I said he was the best Division 1 central defender. I don't know. Oman Kase Ghana. Almost he's the best Division 1 central defender. And I go find about. And I sir. Sharif Mohammed B. Previous year before. We have not heard anywhere that Abrante was proud. And I want to say what
that you pray.
They be a Sokodoka Bobo Chinamu said listen about who need you bones or to bench. So I pray that with that. I assume that
on prior.
So the two are not fit to play at the center back of Asante Kotoko. This is a move justice play.
I didn't be sure.
This is a move your friend say left fullback right attacking winger. There be Bakono. Enoch Morrison,
yeah.
Nicholas
Osebonsu. I don't bet you.
Wing back. Nicholas Mensah, wing back. Now got to go 5 right fullback. No more. I want to.
Nana Benin is with you.
What can we win now? You see, you are speaking for somebody. Okay, Obi Ajeni. Wait. Enya Obia or what exceptional your friends Ajeni. And say no one who say Jamie can. Me boy and I say make us some beef. In team menu.
Andrews in team menu. Bibi Dauni. Yeah, Dauni.
There be a no sorry. Jamina Bibi Jamina.
Michael Che Jamina.
Yes, Wafa Nina. Look at the offer then Kaufu by himself in Bobo.
Now we have a
big Gana Wafa player.
Razak Simpson. Razak Simpson or One Nations FC.
Also flew Wafa.
Hey.
I don't know what players are everybody was exceptional. At a point, not players only exceptional Ghana League no move academy. What for?
Tinami Nancy now James and I say what for be a Togo and now what for be a China being a noble, but then Ghana offer.
Ghana offer na.
Okay. Only in team Nunina a boss Asante Kotoko. But Asante Kotoko current management he say naughty. It's not fit.
Rashid Naughty
to play for Asante Kotoko.
The technical team.
Technical team on
management member.
I am saying that because
unless you have any no, you cannot assume unless you have any evidence that the management want him to stay. So it was only the technical team who doesn't want him to stay. Unless you tell us that you have any
evidence.
That is what I'm talking about assumption. Say, Pedia Mime who Kotoko. decisions about the playing body are left for the technical team.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is
Anything
what
that may make us
professional ideally Kwasana was saying. Now, you see, Note is not fit to play for Kotoko. So if Note is not fit to play for Kotoko, not in China, no Kotoko etuanika every month bia, every 30 days bia, Kotoko tua Notica. The friends and Jamina, any team. This will come.
o kabu mo mitimati onwene omuboma
Onwene omuboma. Omunti mbono tebo.
Yeah, there.
o kabu ma so we bitima fa na we afa ba onwene omielu boma still right not in bobo chon
Onimbo boss no.
Jamina ninti.
Yes. Yes. Experience or any ball or boy. But then not a in chain. And Kotoko is paying him. You see what pra? Unti Mokoto. Kotoko did not register him.
You are in a position so you need a replacement.
In your replacement. You see a brand TV. You see no Ushogus pow. We cross your node in tear head. To be beside so or Koshia Kotoko share 2 goose. Or the tea.
Miss Assam, Metukanam Tiamia.
You see what in tea. Emma or share the first goal was Asante Kotoko against Adrian Audinity. The coach even said that yes,
This is the man.
this is the man because that is what he knows doing, and the fans should expect more from him.
Morning, ma. Na season now, Kotoko fan of course, 3 goals.
Sir,
Season now,
Sir,
Kotoko 3 goals.
And that was
3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 goals. No say.
Menam mi say 30 na mo.
Dabi, I said 3 goals. I said I said me no tia Kotoko. 3 goals. I know say.
Nti mi say 30 na mo paper 0 na free one.
Dabi. 30 the ene zanko ni Ghana ha. 30 anko ni Ghana ha. Omo mu share 15 ni ade kra say omo kai player na obo Asante go ya wa no so one. Ono say 15 20 something. So oni Ghana o share 30. Ko ni oni Ghana
share 21. Ono ka share 21 400,000.
Me say Wataras o share 3 goals. Mensa 1 2 3. Ano say.
Obo Asante Kotoko. NAS Safutela. Uncle. He's not fit to play for Kotoko.
Yeah.
Because of Kalu Watara. Safutela Chenchen. Kotoko Tianeka.
Opemsuo.
Nti wenso banenka.
Dabi wo hon kwan so ka.
Wenso meka. I visible no. Eno makoye adwuma ma obi.
Dabi.
If my bodam. What they should know is this. I have my interest. My interest is to protect the brand of Opemsuo FM.
Yeah.
Ohona me adwuma. Otum for radio station. Asante Kotoko you otum for team.
Yeah.
We are all going to work as professionals.
Yeah.
We are all going to work as professionals.
Yeah,
and it is my duty
To protect it.
to protect it
Yes.
and then keep them check. That is my duty. And I cannot see the reason why I should not talk about Asante Kotoko with this current performance.
6 matches in the league.
Kalu Watara share 5 goals
5 goals. Last season all back Kotoko.
yeah that was last season
I don't see why I should not speak on this current happening in Asante Kotoko. Messi, they have to be up and doing. And yes, the current administration have to be up and doing because they are not giving out their best. Because there is no any added responsibility on them. Many of them come to you. Last week, I'm grant interviews already. So, I'm can say all bills.
Oh, he didn't cheer.
Yeah. That is Kotoko number 1 problem. Bills.
No, I'm call Dr. Aikeke Sapon Krumu. Kwamai. Yes. Say wow, but when I release this carry a mom. And even coach in the crack before some
Messi all bills.
Okay, one fear.
If all bills are in the chair, I cannot keep quiet with the current happening in Asante Kotoko. I cannot.
No, then I'm manage.
I cannot keep quiet. Omo so omuntie. They have no any interest apart from so omo hopping from panyin to panyin omu di konkwansa. No make ka man for onesem. Omo ko pay adwuma nye. So wa ko school no wo wia. O ko pay adwuma na waye. And ma we responsible person. Omo ko pay responsibility and so o mutiri so. No mu nyai say obi tira radio so no kasa. The name of my linking to your friend is saying obi asem they don't reason because omuni nyasa sebi omu reason to know that asem asimesi kano e wo say etie ni na ehwe ni me say I will not sit aloof na IMC they have no any responsibility like say that so mbesho amakotoko akoyi no majo sika o hini wo na team ni ekosu say then people say we should keep quiet. I will not. If I have an opportunity to speak on any radio station, I will speak my mind about the happening in Asante Kotoko.
And protect the brand.
And protect the brand.
Yeah.
Opemsuo.